Hi everyone. Yeah, on the last webinar, I made a bit of a mistake when I was showing how to add a contact form. I actually installed the wrong form and couldn't get it to work. So I've just added this little bit in to show people how to add a contact form onto a website created in WordPress. So I'm just going to share my screen. And that takes me back to the WordPress screen that we were working on the night. So to have a form, rather than just display your email address on screen, we go over here to Plugins, choose Add New, and then go to Popular Plugins. And it's almost always the first one that you see, Contact Form 7, and click on Install Now. They don't take very long to install, they're quite small things. And you can see we've now got a little blue one there. So we can click on Plugins over here, and this shows us the available plugins. You'll see Contact Form 7, and I've got the option to activate it. I'll activate that. And once it's active, we can see it's got settings. If I click on settings, we can see it's called Contact Form 1, which I could change the name of it, but for the moment I won't. It's got what's called a shortcode there, and we'll come back to that in a moment. So at the moment, I'm going to click on Edit. And this code looks quite daunting for a lot of people. All we want to do is change the email address that gets any messages filled out with this plugin. So we simply go up to the top here, click on Mail, and in there we put the address that we want any mail that's put into this form on the website sent to. So I'll change this to secretary@glasgowspeakersclub.org.uk. There are lots of other changes that can be made there, but what we've got is absolutely fine for the moment. I'll just click on Save, and that form has now been created. To use the form, we go back to our plugins, and we look at the settings for this contact form. And you see the short code that I mentioned earlier. I'll simply highlight that with the mouse, copy it using Control and C on my keyboard. I'll then go to the page that we created earlier, which is the contact page. I'll choose Edit. And then I'll go to the text part of the page here. And just underneath where it says, please contact us via, I'm just going to paste in the details for that contact form. I can now safely remove the email address. Make sure I've got that in there, I'll remove that. I'll also remove the phone number because it was just a dummy phone number, and I'm going to leave this live. So all I've got is please contact us via, and then the contact form. And if I go to preview changes, you'll see that I now get a contact form where people can fill in any details that they want. And then when they've done that, they can click on Send. And that is how we enter the contact form. So I will update that page, and that's now live, and the contact form is completed. So sorry I didn't get that right on the night.